Okay, I'm breaking this lesson into a couple different things. Really, I'm only going to focus on adding mixed numbers right now. If you go to 9, we'll focus on subtracting mixed numbers. But it's really when you have to add mixed numbers with regrouping that it becomes semi-challenging. So let's dive right in. Ooh, a little blurry. Good. 3 3/7 plus 6 5/7 right there. All right, let me show you how I would do this. One thing, what I'd like to do is I'm going to rewrite the problem like we write a regular addition problem. Okay, I'm going to rewrite the problem. So I have 3 3/7 plus 6 5/7. So when you're adding these mixed numbers and subtracting, you should write one on top of the other, like you write a regular addition problem. All right. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add the fractional parts, right? Which is 3/7 plus 5/7 is going to equal 8/7. And I'll add the whole numbers. 3 plus 6 is 9. Now this looks funny, right? 9 and 8/7. Why does it look funny? Why does this look funny? You said because 8/7 is more than one whole, then you're right. That's the problem with it. We need to change 8/7 into 1 and 1/7. Right? So if you have 9 and now you have 1 and 1/7, that's going to equal a total of, what's a Z? That's weird. 10 and 1/7. I'll do a couple of these so you see exactly how I do it. Basically, I'm going to write them as steps right here, right now for you too. Alright, so your steps, I'm going to leave it up there for the next screen, are written right there on the right. Alright, so here's your next fraction. 3 7/9 plus 1 6/9. Let's go through the steps one at a time, right? 1, rewrite the fraction, the addition problem, up and down. 3 7/9 plus 1 6/9. Step 2, add the fractional parts. Step 2. 7/9 plus 6/9 is 13/9. Next, add the whole numbers. 3 plus 1 equals 4. Next is to regroup the fraction if necessary, right? 13/9. Yep. Looks funny. See? Even this guy says it looks funny, right? You got to regroup that 13/9. That 13/9 cannot. Whoa. All right. 13/9. We got to make that in 2. Let's take 13/9 away. 13/9 actually equals 1 and 4/9. And finally, you want to write your final answer, right? We'll take this as 4 plus 1 and 4/9. The final answer is going to be 5 and 4/9. Ooh, fix that 9. Excellent. All right, we're adding this 4 plus 1 and 4/9 because we got 1 and 4/9 from 13/9. Let's do another one. Follow the steps one more time. All right, take your time pausing with me and doing this right here. So do each step as I do them, but pause in between. Try and do the steps before I do them. That's I guess what I'm saying, right? So rewrite up and down. 1/4 plus 1 and 3/4. All right. Hopefully you got that right. All right. Now next, do step number 2. Pause it and see if you did it right with me. Fractional parts are going to be added 4/4. Step number 3, add the whole numbers. 2 plus 1 is 3. Number 4, regroup the fraction if necessary. Well, this is an interesting one because we have 4/4 here. Well, 4/4 equals one whole thing. So, get rid of that. Step 5, rewrite your final answer. 3 plus 1. Final answer is 4. 3 plus 1. So 2 1/4 plus 1 3/4 equals 4. Whoa, push that. Whoa. Boom. All right, so 3 problems. I think you know how to do them right now. I'm going to leave the steps up there for you. See if you can solve all 3 of these answers. I'm not going to go through how to solve them, but after you pause it and solve them, you can resume the video and you'll see the answers. If you got all 3 of them right, you are on your way to solving and knowing how to add mixed numbers when there's regrouping involved. All right, solve these now. That's an ugly 8. Ooh, what is that? Okay, we gotta fix this. Get out of here, ugly 8. All right. Answer 8 and 2/3. Answer is 6 and 4/6. And the answer to this last one right here is going to be 14 and 3/9. Yes, good. Excellent job. Woohoo. Good job. Whoa. Excellent job. You know how to add mixed numbers.